The Akufo-Addo government has inherited a country whose economy is, if you want, at its weakest. And therefore, he requires a strong army that will confront these challenges and resolve them in the rapid manner that we require in order to put our country back on the path of progress and development. This number of ministers that the president has presented to Parliament brings his entire government to 110 ministers of state and deputies who would assist him deliver on the very ambitious program of national transformation and development which the people of Ghana have charged him to implement. As you are aware, the 1992 Constitution in Article 78(2) empowers the President to appoint such number of ministers as may be necessary for the efficient running of government. The President is therefore minded by this provision and the ambitious nature of his transformational agenda to put together a government that answers both to this constitutional provision and the need for the rapid transformation of our country. Undi nipa kan bia no ewo adwen ene nyoma bia onu susu se oya ebema oman no etumpon na akonani. Now ubetimi decide say wo no ubeyi ministers kakrebi ejuma no nso eson edoso inti ministers kakrebi a omu ntimi enhu enso ejuma na ano enye na neoma besei senior sesi amede mo be kire neoma asei over the past several years and any minister for information or behwe neoma essay Ghana yabakosem ena ye guno yi ochina me no ye basore a obeyede hu bebi a Ghana free a ye bedru ene versus say ene ye be choose minister for information and ministers for information sa omo be baba na omo behwe se we no ye betimi aye na ya je ya man yesi oba ye edan yi no sebe eye o se nipa tia ensem fatampo se nipa betna but information services department ewo district bia ewo region bia eye critical eno ena ehwe na de bia oman nsempa no omobohu dewuro ewo oman mu ha won so na obi pese o ka asem kire aban a o de fa won so e de ka kire aban na sa critical institutions say ye jai ne say empro esefata ensemfata nti yen ye susu say utua ministers bi dodo say omombehwe na omonya ade ne si ya eno boa e chen say we pretend say oh we need ministers dodo onso nyoma bebre say ya na say e bia me de na ma kire mu ya me sure say wo ko ministers bebre a wo behu nyoma bebre a apro say over the years a nka ye appointee ministers dodo bi so ano a kebe one be a
minister for information Mustafa Akwaba who minister saying
and any justification about
or the justification what kind of justification what kind of justification who minister saying
we school I'm sorry I went when is rose akukoti was some ministry
but unim always me found
I mean check it me
na ye pese me hu asoafo miensa o maba mo hono pious
Ministry of Youth and Sports ba ko pe
pious
ba ko
okay ohwe nipa tu na pious esiama sports ministry e betima push mu to
pious honestly me sheda nim na bakosem e wo sports nti
eni o mo e no kore
ohwe be innocent person say afini de naba nti me sure say deputy there em say obi onu so besua adwuma kakra nti no enye bibia be so effective but minister na nkasa na betin aboa
deputy enizo
deputy no omo ba omo mehwe
again no kreme no say minister sorry ebra GOC abato no ekoso
no krewu em say time a GOC for no dey show omo say omo de be ma minister na why the speech no em say time no twa mu bro so minister so onye minister for GOC Minister for Ghana Sports.
You support that?
Yeah.
You support
and some renew.
Bring
renew to
so Benini Mensa Brigadier Mensa Bana. What dear Chirachi? Professor Dodo all the time. Professor Dodo, what has been his challenge here at Bribia Dobano or
media friendly? I'm saying no penny the problem. Oh, and on media friendly, or Shadan can who could interview. Oh, but I don't blame him. Who said Professor, baby, I won't. Oh, now the buffer man, a beer own. Intino on Yesa, or a pro vice chancellor of the University of Ghana. And he was a level no, else through or the level on a hand, and my Onyasa problem.
Media friendly.
I'm saying one who's a media fund, you're very pervasive. They will rise against you. And some Baba, apart from that, no, or some critical institutions be about Ghana Goodima, a boy. I wonder if the newly elected president, no, a bit because charges are near the board Professor Francis Jude, no, a BB to say a Matabisa case by a Mamma Tabisa Timesa Transno, but the newly elected GOC president, no, Mr. Benunu Mensan, so or the same challenge. Oh, when I say the same challenge, Christian Ako in the history of Ghana, Obian Hawaji 8 medals, their mind on the go, a bin cedar, they are by way by Julian Ako. Emma Kopeja, Kamuna de Emodui, Emotimeji 8 medals to mine. Obanos you, Missika way, or must suspend the girls. So a farming, or winning by share so baby. These are the kind of people that a name Brazilian beyond Sandia Bar, sad. Benunu Mensa, or when you media where dear, why treasure, Eddie Massa, the just ended administration, Epping. Along the line near Glasgow, and resign. One should be a major reason, Cynthia, or the resign be seen. And I said, "Can one send track to one affair to go?" As I did, I no mean, Ghana sports media. Like he said, the change of wind is blowing, and they say, "I to see a tour by the mano." Mekai, the previous, and he start to 1 year to Ethiopia. Now he said, "To the end of the year, change of wind will be blowing in Africa, but not at CAF." Personal city because he said, "To be on the tour, baby, I'll be in where Wakwenya best 7 that." Mekai be say the 2 previous regimes no em say 47 4 and nipa nya akoso 46 6 and nipa no so itime senya nti no ohese na Messi ko so a ommen eye ni we ni kura nti ne nya hu say Gianni Infantino FIFA president fufo no hu so African countries no relation ene nema ono so hwese na Messi ko so a first vice president nti so wanti en yine if you are a bedin ombeko so you suit it time format na e de aman e we adwumadi edi mu ti heads analyst we na hwese Africa in general nema betin asa ko edi aman agudi nti se na nema si ko ne de me hye da hu
World Cup ne
World Cup ne de yenko World Cup World Cup.
Not even wins.
Oh, World Cup dear, ain't mean World Cup. Countries now qualify no, and I say take a lead no. Engage they also need it bad.
But every teams not carrying.
Oh, they ain't teams not carrying. As at the moment we don't even have a coach. You understand? We are now looking for a coach.
So the call for Kwesiapia, Papa.
Kwesiapia. You see, more na Ghana for and I'm more cancel after say a call World Cup Brazil by me catch him say, "Mommy, I'm gonna deal with ye." And you giddy, and I must you. Kwesiapia, so control our dressing room. In the fan pam. Political reasons, I'm for chassis and the DPA Kwesiapia because no a your family no, and so issues kakra or what that and the pam Kwesiapia. Ma Kwesiapia timesa ko ene ya yesa hwese na Messi ko so we hye so a enu bia na e pese yesa de ekofa na ba you understand nti ya na kan you me kai say yo Gabon na Cup of Nations ne ko so mo so Kelvin Prince what team when ya dem say mo na mo ka CNT commission yeti commission and dey nsem na be bare mo na ye refi say na Messi ko that is why sometimes ya na be say if issues no properly we say sporting issues very difficult say what the be bata ne be bi ho enya sa de a the nkofo anim ade ye pa no oya mo kire mo ho almost so nkofo a sebenyado omo discipline no say nyamia obi onima de
need to manage
onima de yo bia so as even we ati wa hisisi a isi me no we ati hisisi a you can just testify if you send me city a what I say oh yes obey ya e binya baby for na
Yakwaba